Hello and happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to start a series on new quizzes. And before you tune out, new quiz haters, I'm going to do one tip a week because some of the features in classic quizzes have started to break down and stop working. And I want to keep you from the devastation of not being able to open a quiz when you need to. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to take your classic quiz. So this right here is a classic quiz and turn it into a new quiz in seconds. So here's the quiz. Click on the three dots. And I'm going to choose migrate. Migration is in progress. You can see it coming down here. Once that's done, you might get a big scary message that I accidentally clicked out before having it here to show you that tells you that no stimulus came over. Don't worry, that does not matter. So here is that same quiz, and now it is in new quiz format. Everything has transferred over, including the answers, and it's good to go.